Hi everyone, this is Sia Credit the Heart, and today I'm going to be making a card. I'm kind of halfway made it already because I'm kind of trying to make it work. So I am using the Meet Me in Wonderland project line from the Not Too Shabby shop. If you're interested in this line, it is actually part of a subscription box of the month, but extras are sold in the shop. There's a link in my profile as well as in my description box, as well as a coupon code. So, I've got this stamp set, Meet Me in Wonderland, which I'm going to be using, and I'm also using the Wonderland sentiments. So I'm working a little bit on the inside of the card first. So this is the inside of the card. I got a little bit of an owie there, which it's going to be covered up. So what I did here was I cut a variety of strips that I then scored to create these little sort of boxed kind of shapes there. So you could take a 1 inch, 2 inch, or 3 inch piece of paper by 1 or 1.5 inches, and then you're going to score like 1/2 inch on the bottom, and then you're going to score at, I think, like if you do score at 1 inch and then at 1/2 inch at the top, because you kind of want this little piece right here. So one is going to go on the bottom and the other one is going to get glued to this paper right here. And then hopefully when you fold it, it'll fold shut. So there's different mechanisms to do pop-ups. This was sort of one that I kind of just did on my own. Then I took pieces of acetate and I glued it, or you score tape, to the front of these little boxes. And so this is what I'm going to attach my little images to. So let's go ahead and do that. Now I am going to be using score tape to attach. And so that's going to be, to me, the easiest way. And so there's that one. And then I'm going to do this guy right here. So they're all like kind of different lengths. So, and it's just me playing around and trying to do something different. There's that one. And then my lady, I think she'll go up to here. Okay. Okay, so there is the the inside of my card, and it says, "We're all mad here." And I love that. So the front, I'm going to be using this paper for the front, which I am just loving all the paper. So cute. I've told myself not to hoard it, just to use it. I have not even looked at the other stuff in it, which is Meet Me in the Theater, or Meet Me, I can't remember if it's Meet Me in the Theater or Meet Me in the Movies, and that one is super adorable. I just not had a chance to look at it. So what are you going to do? So I've got this, and then I've got, I think I'm going to do something like this. I might do some sort of a sentiment right here. We'll see. Maybe I'll stamp something before I get started. Let's do let's see. I think I'll do Meet Me in Wonderland. Yeah, maybe I'll do Meet Me in Wonderland. So I am going to go ahead and stamp on the very front of this, is what I think I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and stamp right on the front right here. And I'm going to use this Sassy Club onyx black. So I want it to be nice and okay. Very good. I will do that. I gotta be a little bit careful with it while it dries because this paper is like glossy. I don't want it to like smear off onto my hand or anything, so I've got to try to remember not to smush it. So meet me in Wonderland. And then I've got these two. They're quite large ephemera, which comes in the ephemera pack that you would get in the box, or I believe if there is any left, you can purchase the ephemera, which is just, can't go wrong with it. I'm excited about this card. It's really, really cute. And okay, so here we go. Meet me in Wonderland is what it says. And then when you open the card, it says, we're all mad here. And you have your little pop-up Alice and Cheshire Cat and, crap, I forgot his name. Mad Hatter right here. And so I just love it. We're all mad here. Really, really fun and cute. I absolutely love this, this suite. And so just to recap, this is the stamp set. And I know that there were no more extras of the Wonderland sentiments, which totally stinks if you didn't get it, you know, get the box, because the sentiments are freaking amazing. So if you have a lot of Alice stuff, which I have a ton, it is nice to have a stamp set like this one that you can use with your other Alice stuff, which means you could also use these with your other Alice stuff, and any of your other papers that you might have, you know, so that's nice. I'm always looking for versatility in my products. And then the paper pad is super cute, and it's all double-sided. And all my extras, because I'm going to try to find a way to use all the scrap that I can. So just really, really cute. And some other things that I made with the ephemera include this journal, and I think that is really fun. So in the pocket. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Crane with the Heart.